wants success. But here's the thing. Most people aren't willing to hear the truth about what it really takes. They want shortcuts. They want motivation. They want an easy path. But success? It doesn't care what you want. It demands something from you. And if you're not willing to pay the price, someone else will. So today, I'm going to tell you the harsh truth about success, the truth most people ignore. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why so many people fail, and how to make sure you're not one of them. Let's begin. Truth number 1. Nobody is coming to save you. This is the hardest truth to accept. No one is coming to save you. Not your parents, not your friends, not your boss, not your mentor. No one is going to wake you up in the morning and push you to work harder. No one is going to drag you out of bed and force you to chase your dreams. It's all on you. And the sooner you accept that, the sooner your life will change. Truth number 2. You will fail a lot. Success is built on failure. Not once, not twice, but over and over again. The problem? Most people can't handle it. They give up after one rejection. They quit when things get hard. They break down the moment life punches them in the face. But the ones who succeed, they fail just as much, but they keep going. So the question is, can you handle failure, or will it break you? Truth number 3. Discipline beats motivation every time. Motivation is a lie. It feels great in the moment, but it's temporary. It fades. It disappears when things get hard. That's why most people never make it. Because they rely on motivation instead of discipline. Discipline means doing the work even when you don't feel like it. It means showing up every day, no matter how tired, unmotivated, or frustrated you are. And if you can master discipline, success is inevitable. Truth number 4. Sacrifice is non-negotiable. Success has a cost, and if you're not willing to pay it, you will lose to someone who is. You might have to sacrifice time with friends, endless hours on social media, comfort and laziness. The world is filled with talented, smart, hardworking people who are hungry for success. So the question is, how bad do you really want it? Success is brutal. It doesn't care about your excuses. It doesn't care about your feelings. It doesn't care about how hard your life is. You either show up, or you don't. So, what are you going to do? Comment below. What's the hardest truth about success that you've had to face? Let's talk. And if this message hit you deep, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more real, no BS advice on self-improvement and success. No more waiting. No more excuses. Go get it.